Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to create a food cutout on the Mockitup application. But first of all, I just want to mention, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel, because at 100,000 subscribers we are going to show you our YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your device. Tap to the cutout button next to the logo section at the upper side of the screen, and in the featured section scroll down and you can find the food cutout button, and just select a template and new you can edit. If you want to add text to your project, click to the text button at the lower left corner of the screen. Delete that and write your text, and if you finish, click to the Done button. In the font section you can find different font type and just select one, and if you want to change the color of your text, click to the color section and select another color. In the shadow section you can add shadows to your text. If you want to change the picture or want to add the graphic elements to your project, click to the graphic section, and in the symbol option you can find the different graphic elements, or go to the photo option, and here you can select photos from your gallery. If you go to the doodle section, select a color, and new you can draw on your canvas. And if you go to the brush section, just click that an object, and new, for example, you can add square icons to your project. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.